హాయ్ టీచర్స్ అందరూ కూడా ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్లో మంచి పర్ఫెక్షన్ సాధించారు. టీచింగ్ పార్ట్ జరుగుతూ ఉంది, కానీ వీకెండ్లో టెస్టులు పెడితే ఇంకా బాగుంటుంది. సో మనం మాన్యువల్గా ఎవాల్యుయేషన్ చేయకుండా ఈ గూగుల్ ఫార్మ్స్ అనే దాన్ని యూజ్ చేసి వీ కెన్ కండక్ట్ ద టెస్ట్ ఆన్ ద టాపిక్స్ విచ్ వీ కంప్లీటెడ్ త్రూ అవుట్ ద వీక్. సో గూగుల్ సర్చ్లో గూగుల్ ఫార్మ్స్ అని టైప్ చేసి సెర్చ్ చేసినచో మీకు దానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వస్తుంది. యాజ్ యూ క్లిక్ ఆన్ దట్, దెన్ యూ విల్ సీ దిస్ విండో. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు సెట్ ఏ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్, సెలెక్ట్ ప్లస్. ఇమీడియట్గా మీకు ఒక ఫార్మాట్ కనిపిస్తుంది. ఇన్ దట్ untitled form, there you type Atkinson. So whatever the title or in whichever chapter you want to conduct, that title you type there, and then left side of the top right, untitled form is there. You click on that, then the same title will be moved to there and it will be saved. Whatever the changes you'll do here, everything will be automatically get saved. Okay. Now, after giving the title, then right side settings, go to the settings. Here three options will be there. The first one is the general. So as you click on that, multiple options, but you select only limit to one response. By this option, we can restrict the students attend the test by one time only. Next, the second one at the bottom, that is a summary, charts and text responses. So when we connect the for whole class, we'll have the correct analysis, how many students answer all the questions, and that is the students progress we can see. Next, presentation. Here click show progress bar, and then quizzes. This is the main one. Make this a quiz. If by selecting this one, as the students submit the test, fraction of 7 second, they will know the result also. After selecting all the required options, then save the one by clicking this option which is given at the bottom. Now come to the questions. And here untitled question is there. So if you want to know the students information, whoever attempt the test, you select, as you click the multiple choice or multiple options you will get in this, you select the short answer. Near the untitled question, you type name, class, section, roll number. Okay. By typing all these, you save this okay. So as you feed the information like this, then student will enter their details. After it's come down here, for this one no need to write the answers, so student has to. So the second line leave for the students, and at the bottom for every question required will be there. Don't forget to select this one. So when we select this, that particular question will be compulsory. As they attempt the particular one, then only they'll get the chance to attempt the next one. So this one is over. Now we want to add another question. Then right side you see select plus. So another short window. Here select this whichever type of question you want to give to student. Again, once again select short answer. Here you type the question. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? This is the question, and after giving the question, leave this second line for the student, but you need to feed the answer. So you select at the bottom, answer is there. As you select, here you will see add a correct answer. Here you type Amaravati. Okay. So after feeding the answer, select. Before selecting done, you allot the marks. Here by selecting this up or lower button, you can add the marks whatever you want, 2 marks, and then done, and make it to be compulsory by selecting required. So a short answer, that is 1 word or the 2 word answers. Next, another question. So it's another pattern, you see, another short answer, that is name the figure given below. Name the figure given below. మరి ఆ ఫిగర్ ఏంటో కావాలి కదా. So then no need to try any figure. Beside this here, click this logo. Then multiple options you will get. Upload. Suppose if you want to upload any figure from your system, from the mobile, that you can choose by clicking browse. Later on the spot with the camera, if you want to take, use the camera option, by URL, by photos, and next Google Drive. So or if you want to collect the data from Google search, then select Google image search. So as you click that one, search for images, there you type project running issue, connect to this one only. No, this corona only making all of us to learn new things happily by sitting at home. So type that and multiple images will be displayed. You select whichever you like. Okay. So after selecting that, click the bottom insert button. Okay, that image will be loaded here, and then move to the answer key. So you need to write the answer, load the answer, correct answer. What is the correct answer? Coronavirus. Okay. After feeding that answer, select done. So here we forgot to add the marks. Once again click answer key. There the marks scoring column will be there. You select 3 marks. Then once again done. So if you by in a hurry by mistake you forgot giving marks, then by giving the answer key you can do that. And after that select required and make it to be compulsory. And then another question. Now multiple choice question, this third one, another pattern of question. See that here's the question number 3. So this question is based on mathematics. You take 10 plus 30 plus 50. Okay, addition of numbers. So then you have to, it is not the short answer. What we are going for the multiple choice. So then multiple choice means multiple answers you have to give. So first option 1, you write 80. That is the first option. So then select the next add option. So using the mouse you do, otherwise you press tab, it move to there, and then type the answer 90. Again tab, the tab you will get chance for to add one more option, right, 100. Okay, after inserting the multiple option, then select answer key. So in the answer, as you select the answer key, the question with all the options will be displayed. You select the correct answer for that one. Okay, 90. So in the scoring, It's a very big question now. Give 5 marks. Then select done, and then required select. Make the question be compulsory. So like that we can prepare multiple choice questions. And another question if you want, that is matching. So see here, multiple choice is there, checkbox are there, drop down is there, and next linear scale and multiple choice. Okay, I'm selecting this one. So here you type match the following. Okay, so match the following. So here 2 columns will be there, rows and columns. First you feed the data in the rows. That is chemistry based one. That is water. Next, second row, iron. Third row, hydrogen. Okay, so rows covers the questions. So now we have to give the answers in the columns side. First column, that is gas. Second column, next liquid. Third option, solid. Okay, here there is no compulsion to give the equal number of options to the questions. You can give more just to confuse the students. So one more option, that is semi solid. Okay, after feeding the questions and the respective options, you need to feed the answers. So see, first one is the water, all the 4 options. So water, so select the respective state, that is the liquid state. Then under the score, select 2 points, that is your choice. Next, iron, it is a solid state substance, select the solid circle, give the marks 2. Next, hydrogen, it's a gas. Okay, 2. Then done. Next, select the required. Okay, so like that variety of questions we can prepare. After completion of all these questions, you have to check. Suppose you prepare the question paper with a 10 or 15. 10 is enough. Okay, so and see here, total point 16 marks. Now have a preview of this one. If you select the I symbol there, then everything will be displayed like this. Atkinson, name, class, section, roll number. Here the student has to type their name, Vivek. Okay, 10th standard, A5, number, okay, 9. So student data is fed like that. Next they will move to the questions. See that beside every question you can see the asterisk mark. So this mark remind the student to attempt that question compulsorily. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? So see here, Amaravati. Okay, I fed the answer like that. Next, name the figure given below. It is a corona. Okay. Next, serious, 10 plus 30 plus 50. Multiple choice question. So 90 selected. Match the following. Water. It is a liquid. So it's a question paper will display to the student like this. Water, liquid, iron, solid, hydrogen, semi-solid. I select the answer like this. As all the questions over, at the bottom left side, you can see submit button. So once all the questions are completed, the submit button will display or will be seen at the bottom. As we click that one, the test, our answers will be uploaded. Fraction of second, you will see the window like this. Here, view score. As the student click this one, they can see the result also in the fraction of second. Okay, here I score 9 out of 16. You see, Vivek 10A5, roll number 9 is the student's information. First question, I gave the answer Amaravati, but here we fed the answer in capitals. Okay, if the students answer in this pattern, then only. So we have to remind and alert the student. So better to give your answer only in capitals. Then everyone will answer like that. Okay. So here I type the answer with the lowercase. It's showing wrong because we fed the answer with the uppercase letters. Next, name the figure given below. Here my answer is corona, but the answer what we fed is coronavirus. Okay. So next, see here, 10 plus 30 plus 50, it's a 90. Correct. Next, come to the match the following. Water, there is a liquid, correct, 2 out of 2. Iron, solid, 2 out of 2. Hydrogen, here I selected semi-solid, it's wrong. So the respective answer, okay, correct answer is displayed here. Hydrogen is a gas. Okay, so as the student complete the test in the fraction of second, they can see their score, and at the same time they will see the wrong answers or where they did the mistake. So there is a chance for the student to correct their mistakes, okay, at the same time. So I hope it is one of the easy method. But to do this work, we need to spend half an hour. Okay. So మళ్ళా మనం మాన్యువల్గా కరెక్ట్ చేయాల్సిన పని ఉండదు. స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా ఇప్పుడు దాకా మాన్యువల్గా రాసి బోర్ ఫీల్ అయి ఉంటారు. ఈ విధంగా ఆన్సర్ చేయడానికి కూడా చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపిస్తారు. ఎందుకంటే సో మోస్ట్లీ ఈ కరోనా అనేది ఒక లెవెల్కి ఓకే ఇది తగ్గలేదు అంటే మాత్రం this academic year students has to attend online test like this only. Okay, I hope everyone is understand this concept. So as per your convenience, follow this method.